Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft account privacy settings. And in this video, I will show you how to clear all activities on your Microsoft account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Microsoft account. Having logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you want to do is to navigate to privacy button right here. Click on privacy. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here until you get to browsing and search. Click on that. Then here you go. Scroll down right here and see all your recently activities right here. For you to clear all, go ahead and click on show all activities. Then you are going to see all activities across your Edge browser and Microsoft account. Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on clear all activities. This is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on clear. Then go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on close. It's that simple. For more privacy and security setting in your Microsoft account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.